This is gold for strawberries. In this short video, I'll show you an incredibly effective natural fertilizer that will make your strawberries big and juicy. If you want a record harvest of strawberries, there are a few tricks you need to know. Strawberries are not demanding, but mistakes during planting can cost you a lot of your yield. So, before I share the recipe for one of the best natural fertilizers, listen to a few important tips. First, choose strong, healthy seedlings without damaged leaves or roots. Plant them in a sunny, airy spot with loose soil that drains well. Ideally, leave about 20 to 30 centimeters between each plant so they have enough space to develop. When planting, make sure the roots are fully spread out in the soil and the crown of the plant, from where the leaves grow, remains above ground. After planting, water them well and continue keeping the soil moist, but avoid overwatering. If you plant a bit of onion or herbs like rosemary near your strawberries, you'll reduce the risk of pests. Now I'll show you an excellent homemade fertilizer. In half a liter of warm water, add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast because it stimulates the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the soil. Its enzymes and B vitamins accelerate the breakdown of nutrients, making them easier for plants to absorb. With regular use, the root system becomes stronger and leaf growth is encouraged. Such strawberries become more resistant to diseases and produce healthier, bigger fruits. Next, add a little natural honey, as it serves as a natural food source that activates fermentation and boosts the multiplication of beneficial microorganisms. Combined with yeast, it creates a solution rich in enzymes and vitamins, which promotes healthy strawberry growth. This fertilizer strengthens the roots, improves soil fertility, and contributes to a more abundant harvest. The final ingredient is a tablespoon of wood ash because it contains potassium, calcium, and phosphorus, minerals that are essential for strawberry growth and fruit production. Potassium, in particular, helps form large and sweet fruits and improves the plant resistance to drought. Calcium improves soil structure and prevents root rot. With regular but moderate use of ash, the need for chemical fertilizers is reduced, resulting in a healthier and more natural harvest. Write in the comments if you'll try this fertilizer for your strawberries. Let the mixture sit for 24 hours, then strain and dilute with another half liter of water. Water your strawberries once or twice a month. Each plant needs about 200 milliliters of this fertilizer. Check out our next video on the screen. Thank you and goodbye.